about the domain of a function. The domain of a function. Now we already know the domain of a function is what? Is all the x's. The domain of a function is the set of all the x's. Okay, that is the input, right? All the x's are the input. Now there's a stipulation that I haven't talked about here, okay? But it's the set of all the x's where, and here's the stipulation or that idea that you need to know, where the function is defined. Okay, now what do I mean by that? So there are some functions or there are some mathematical things that we cannot do. Like what? What's the cardinal rule? You can never divide by 0. Okay? If you do, then things are undefined. So let's look at this function. F of x is equal to 1 over x. Okay? When I look at this function, I ask myself, can I pick any number x and plug it into here? I can pick a 1, I can pick a 2, I can pick negative numbers. There is one number I cannot pick. 0. So when I look at this function, notice I cannot choose x to be 0. Why? Because 1 over 0 is undefined. Okay? So then, is 0 part of the domain? Let's go back and look at the definition I gave. The domain of a function is a set of all the x's where the function is defined. Is this function defined when x is 0? No. So then 0 is not in the domain for this particular function. Any questions on that?